Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info. Today I'm going to tell you how to use the AI grammar and proofreading tool on your OnePlus 15. So here, first let's open our notes. And let me, for example, open this one. As you can see, here we do have the note. You can't really trust me actually, but this is a note generated by AI. With the grammar mistakes. And as you can see here, I really don't know how to say this, but I just want to say that you are my best friend. Like seriously, we have been through so much together, etc., etc. This is just a quick note. And to use the grammar tool and proofreading tool on this text, at first we need to select all the text and tap AI Writer. Here, tap Proofread. Now, as you can see, we can either insert this text or replace. We can, as you can see all the changes that are here, and now we can. I really don't know how to say this, but I don't know how to write this, but I just wanted to say that you are my best friend. Like seriously, we have been through so much. I don't know why this star is here, because there is no star in the original text. But yeah, let's just assume that it was here, and we can tap just replace. And as you can see, it works. That's actually how you use that. There is no other possibility so that you can use like the proofreading. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.